Account verification is necessary for full account functionality to be unlocked. The verification process involves two stages. 1. After the information from the verification form has been successfully verified, you will receive authorization to deposit cryptocurrency and fiat currencies via bank transfer. 2. Having successfully verified the address document you supplied us, the platform will become fully functional, including express payments and withdrawals. An email message will notify you of successful verification. Verification can fail for reasons such as poor internet connection, illegible information on the scan of a document, low quality of document images, wrong or incomplete documents, or information from the supplied documents not matching the data entered into the system, like your address, for example. If you run into problems with verification, contact us through the contact form or try again.